Hello everyone, welcome to Swan channel. Now the topic is journal entries in simple method. Now prepare the journal entries in book of Arun 2020 November 1st. Arun started business with cash rupees 1 lakh. So first thing is to make the journal transactions and to convert the transaction to journal, the first is we will analyze this in the three forms to make it simple. The first is accounts involved in this. So what are the accounts involved in this transaction? Then we have to classify the nature of accounts and we should find whether it is debit or credit account. Started business with cash. So we see that you have cash account. Who started business? Arun started business. Arun account. Now, nature of account. So cash is a real account. Arun is a personal account. In real account, cash what comes inside the business? What comes in should be debited. Debit is represented as GR. And Arun is a personal account. He is a giver. Giver should be credited. It is represented as CR. Now, we will go to this journal entries. The heading is in the books of Arun, journal entries. The columns to be provided is date, particulars, ledger folio, debit, credit. So, when you analyze like this is very easy to write the journal entries. 2020 November 1st. Okay. Cash what comes inside the business. So cash account data. 2. The giver is Arun. Arun's capital account. So your debit amount is 1 lakh. Credit amount is 1 lakh. Narration, started business. The next one, bought goods for cash. The transaction which has been given, bought goods for cash. So it's a cash transaction. So bought in the sense purchases. Purchase goods. It's a cash transaction. So purchases is a nominal account. Nominal account, if you buy any product, it is an expense. All the expenses should be debited. So here, when we take accounts involved, so simple method is, you have to classify this transaction in the three columns. Accounts involved. So what are the accounts involved here? Purchases account. And you have cash account. So these two are accounts involved in this. So purchases is an expense. All expenses should be debited under the nominal account. So nature of account is nominal account. Expense should be debited. Cash is a real account. What goes out? Cash what goes out. So it should be credited. So we will write the journal entry for this. Purchases account data to cash account. Purchases account data to cash account. The date is 2020 November 2nd. Here goods purchased for cash. So that is the narration. You are explaining about this journal entry, that is narration. So what is the amount? What's the debit amount? We will say debit amount as 5,000 rupees debit amount and credit amount say 5,000 rupees. Then we will go for the next transaction. Purchased goods from Hema on credit. So it is credit transaction. So when you see the transaction, first you are going to analyze in the three columns. So if you analyze that, so that is a simple method. first is you are going to take the accounts involved. When we take purchased goods, so purchases is one of the account. And here, who is the giver? Giver is Hema is the giver. So Hema is the account. Hema is a personal account. So purchases is a nominal account. Expenses debited. Whereas Hema is a personal account. So if you analyze like this and write the journal, it will be very easy. So 2020 November 3rd, purchases should be debited, as purchases is an expense. It is nominal account. Expenses debited. And Hema is the giver. Giver under the personal account. Giver should be credited. So to Hema account. Your debit amount is equal to credit amount. The debit amount is 3000 and credit amount is 3000. So, goods purchased from Hema. So, that is the narration. So, if you like this video, share to your friends, subscribe to Swan channel. Thank you very much.